Hey everyone, Brett here. Welcome to Airstream of Utah and our Technology Tuesday. And it's kind of a Maintenance Monday also, but what I would like to talk to you today is about Starlink. We have done a number of installs of the Starlink portable satellite, and this will be the first one we've seen here with the permanent satellite that sits on top. This is mainly used for a driving model because you can have continuous internet while driving down the road. But this customer asked that we put it inside this pottery barn, so I want to show you some inside baseball, if you will. Inside this box is where your 4G modem is, and it's all wired into this and up through there and goes up through the ceiling. Because we're mounting this antenna to the roof, we pulled down the roof panel here so you can see where everything's going to come through, and the satellite cable is going to come through. What this cable is just a fishing line to get wired up through here, and it'll come out and it'll all be wired into this area right here. This is your fantastic fan, and insulation is now pulled down, but this is where it's all going to go, and I'll show you the end product as soon as I see it. So this is the big antenna that goes permanently on the roof, and this is the mounting wire hardware. This Starlink device does have two modem things inside, so one's the power for the antenna, one's the actual modem that you need power to. They're all hooked together, but I'll give more of a class on that as soon as I learn more about it. As you can see behind me there, on the very front of this pottery barn is where this new Starlink on-the-go kind of antenna is. So this is one that you can use driving down the highway. And again, like I said before, it's really meant for a driving model, not necessarily a trailer. And mostly because on the trailer, as you can see, there's not there's not much real estate where you can put one of these things. So that's why this one's mounted up here. This is the least coverage spot, and these things are actually pretty cool. They heat themselves and can melt 3 inches of snow and ice, and they get really warm. But the mounting location up here, we ran the wires right through the hole where the Sirius XM antenna was, and the other things going down through. So you have your Airstream Connect antenna right there, and all the wiring goes through that. The ceiling's all put back together, and the cabinets all put back together. But up here in this closet is where everything that you need to access this particular Starlink is located. So here's your standard modem that you see, and this one comes with both models of the Starlink. And then here's the extra piece for that particular antenna, and everything is wired through here. And then you have your inverter circuits to be able to run this on battery. If you have any questions about Starlink and your rig, give us a call, send us an email, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to talk to you about it in person. And know this, if you are going to buy a new Airstream and you want Starlink systems installed in it, you need to bring all the equipment. We don't order them here. That's something you bring to us and we install for you. But you need to bring all the equipment that's required for that particular model, and any paperwork and any manuals and things like that, so we can get it in for you. But it's a really cool option if that's something you desire when you're traveling about. And have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.